We've got a hot ticket today, 1973 Camaro Rally Sport Z28, numbers matching motor, 4-speed transmission, factory colors. This thing's been body off frame restored, only about 800 miles since it's been finished, and the restorer claimed there's 39,000 actual miles on the car since it was built new. Go to volocars.com, that's where you can read about it, look at all the pictures top to bottom, and that's where you'll find a price tag along with an easy monthly payment. There's also a Buy It Now button. If you see something you really like, you're going to want to click that button before someone beats you to it. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon button so you're notified when these videos are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is a really good one. This is a sharp car, and it's a nice car. So anyway, start with the roof. Really nice, straight roof. Little imperfection in the paint. We'll talk more about the paint, but there's little tiny pimples right there, and there's like a little bump right there. But the roof is straight. Coming down here is real nice, typical hairline crack, and I do mean it's a hairline. This is all nice and clean, very clean around here. This is just held on with clips, that's removable. All excellent shape. It has the 3-piece tall spoiler. This is all looking dynamite. Clean, straight, no issues. Beautiful. All nice and clean all the way to the bottom. Clean rocker panels. Look at that, lines up real nice. A few little tiny pimples down there, just very small. Ooh, that opens super easy. Big heavy door, opens and closes like new. Smooth, clean, lines up real nice. You got sport mirrors. This is excellent. Just a tiny, tiny hairline crack right there. They did add a raised cowl hood. All this is clean, straight, lines up real nicely. That hood fits square and flush. So the Rally Sport has the nose that sticks out front, also known as a split bumper, because instead of one bumper, it's got two. It's also a reconfiguration of the lights. So that's got the Rally Sport front end, which is really desirable, and a spoiler down below. Stripes are painted on. Yeah, according to the tag, there's a picture of the tag on our website. I forget the number offhand, but it came up as orange. So the emblems look new. All the glass was replaced, not just the windshield, but all 4 windows were replaced. This trim is like an 8 out of a 10. It's got little surface marks on it. This here looks new, the rubber seals, the door handle. Oh yeah, this one opens. It's probably one of the best operating the 74 Camaro doors I've tried. This trim is new. Everything back here, chrome. The sticker, the lenses, all are sparkling and beautiful. Got the correct 15-inch Z28 wheels. They look like they're restored. BF Goodrich tires look new. Car sits nice. Yeah, it's a really nice car. I like what I see so far. Let's see if the interior lives up to it. All right, let's see what the trunk compartment looks like. Opens on its own because we just put new torsion springs under there. Bottom side of the trunk is painted real nicely. Stickers were replaced. Jam is painted nice. Weather strip is replaced. Inside's all clean metal. Does have a new mat. It's spatter painted neatly. The insulation on the back of the seat is new. It's got a modern collapsible spare tire under here. I don't see a jack, so it'd be a good idea to probably have like a scissors jack. You don't want to use the bumper jack anymore. The wiring, the housings, all that looks nice and clean. Each car gets inspected, goes through the shop. I actually posted right on our website what we had done to it, but I do know the springs for the trunk was definitely one of them. The jams are real clean, painted real nice. The weather strips look new and they fit real well. Sill plates are new. The entire door panel, the plastic lowers in the center section, the handles and cranks, all the door panel looks like brand new. All the dash, the vents, the instrument panel, all looks like new. Full set of gauges, including a tachometer and an optional clock. The dash pad fits real nicely. It's not warped. Inside the glove box is nice and clean. Got owner's manual in a pouch. All the vents, kick panels are real nice. So the carpet fits beautifully. It's not wrinkled. Fits real nice. You got reproduction mats. You got the factory 4-speed. AM/FM stereo. Works. Seats got great cushions and upholstery. The back of the seats, rear floor mats, and everything in back's just as nice. The upholstery, the side panels, the rear speaker shelf, all excellent shape. The headliner is new. Dome light works. The visors and the mirror look like they're all new. Original style steering wheel in very good shape. Yeah, it's a really nice car. So the interior does live up to the exterior. So this is the VIN number matching original engine. They did rebuild it. He says it's putting out about 425 horsepower instead of the original 245. It's got a healthier cam. Aluminum intake on top. They kept it looking as stock as possible with the right dual snorkel air cleaner, the right fuel line. It's a big dual feed Holley under there. The distributor and the vacuum advance looks new. Down here it has the heat shields by the spark plugs, the right manifolds, reproduction hoses and clamps. Look at the firewall and the inner fenders, how nicely they're painted. Almost like a dark charcoal gray. Wow. Reproduction battery, not just a fake topper. I think that's an actual battery. It is upgraded with an aluminum radiator. It does have the overflow bottle and the right shroud. So it's completely apart. All the components were painted. It does have power steering and power brakes. Squirters are hooked up. Cadmium plated booster. Bottom side of the hood's painted. Yeah, it's a show quality car, front to back, top to bottom. Sounds nice. I'm looking forward to driving this one. You can hear that Lopey cam. All right, here we go. See what this Camaro can do. Now this is a pretty sketchy road. It's bumpy and narrow. We'll get out on the highway in a second. Shifts through the gears real nice so far. I am looking at a set of factory gauges, including the tachometer. They all appear to be working except for the clock. I turned on the AM/FM stereo. It's been rebuilt. It actually plays really well. I'm almost guessing they might have an amplifier. It was just really full, good sounding. Even on this bumpy road, this car drives real nicely. Yeah, so far, no weird noises, vibrations, nothing like that. Yeah, and it's going to take a minute to pull out. Horn works. Blower does not work. And wipers. that gets up and goes. That was fun. Ride is very smooth. Yeah, getting on a straightaway now. No hands on the wheel, look at that. No shakes. Tell you what, downshifting is just as fun as shifting. So there you have it, folks. I said I would talk more about the paint, and I think I kind of skimmed over it because there really wasn't much to report. It's a beautiful, shiny, glossy paint job. You'd have to be really critical to nitpick anything. I told you about there's an area like right up here where there's some little tiny little pimples. But boy, the paint is slick on this car. Now, they took the body off the frame and all the components were removed. The underside is so clean that they prepped it and painted it the same gloss orange. There's no rust in these floors. And then when it went back together, they rebuilt the steering and suspension. It's got sway bars front and back. The fuel system was replaced, including the tank. Check out the exhaust. Look at our pictures. It's a stainless exhaust, polished like chrome, has the X-pipe, has the transverse sideways muffler. The brake system was redone. Brake lines, fuel lines were replaced. The e-brake cables were replaced. It does have disc up front. You look up at the motor, it's spotless. The oil pan, the starter, all that looks brand new. The Muncie 4-speed is also VIN number matched to this car. It's an M21, also looks clean, and all the linkage, all that looks nice. Looks like a rebuilt drive shaft. 10-bolt rear end has 373 posi gears. So this is just a nice package right here. It would cost far more than we're asking just to duplicate this restoration. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions, including how do you get it delivered to your door and how do you get financing. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, click the bell icon so you can see them as they're posted. Thanks for watching.